In this video, we are going to compare the 5 most popular and top programming languages, and we will find out together which one is the best programming language that you should learn to become a successful software engineer. What are the main characteristics of the best programming language? Or what makes a programming language the best programming language? These 3 factors help a programming language stay on top among all other programming languages. First, community support. It is the community that makes a programming language secure, reliable, up-to-date, and efficient. Second, enough jobs. People learn a programming language to make a career out of it, to make money and have a solid income. A programming language without jobs will not survive even one day. Third, powerful. A programming language should be powerful. It has to be general purpose or multi-purpose programming language. It has to be integrable so that you can easily integrate tools and libraries written in that language in other tools and applications written in another programming languages. And it should be capable of being used in all areas of information technology such as server-side programming, desktop and mobile app development, artificial intelligence, automation, web development, machine learning, and so on. About the community support, ISO is behind C++, which is a big organization. Microsoft is behind C#, Oracle is behind Java and JavaScript. Python Software Foundation is behind Python, which can never compete with ISO, Microsoft, and Oracle. So we are left only with C++, C#, and Java. C++ is the king in game and desktop apps, operating systems, embedded systems, and all super powerful software and tools. C# is everywhere, and Java is the king in the Android world. Because Microsoft has created all its powerful tools and software using C++, so we are left with C++ and Java. Because Oracle is a bullying company, I personally removed Java and announced C++ as the winner. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and being around. I hope it was helpful and have great times.